Charlie is sitting really weird in his bed. And our cat is in his window. So, happy Friday, everyone. Charlie, did you? Oh, wow. Very nice. He wants this treat. Buddy, are you happy it's Friday? Okay, easy does it. Oh my gosh, my fingers. Oh, that's so nice. Great job. Good boy. Oh, hello. Goodbye. What are you doing? Papa's home. Oh. Yeah, he's here. He's parking the truck. I can hear it. He's home. What? Papa's here. He's here. Oh my gosh. Very close. Yeah. He's home. Oh. Do you want to see him? Are you excited? He's home. Yeah, Bubby. Papa's here.